Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete marketplace messages all at once. So if you also want to delete marketplace messages all at once, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Messenger application. You can see over here Messenger application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the chat interface. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the hamburger icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for chats, marketplace, message requests, friend requests. Simply tap on the option marketplace. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the marketplace interface. You'll be able to see all the marketplace messages over here. So if you want to delete all these messages at once, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find the option for select chats over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to select the chat. Simply select all the chat. Tap on all the messages. Now after you tap on all the messages, what you have to do is tap on the delete icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. This action cannot be undone. Simply tap on the delete option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here all the marketplace messages has been deleted. So that is how you delete all the marketplace messages at once. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.